To transfer money with Stanbic Bank, several methods can be used. The first method involves using the Stanbic Bank app. Download and install the app from the Google Store or App Store. Log in with your account number and password. Navigate to the transfer section. Choose your preferred transfer type. Enter the recipient's credit information. Input the amount to be transferred, and click on Review. After entering the authentication code that appears, a confirmation message will be sent. Alternatively, Stanbic Internet Banking can be used. Log in to the Stanbic online banking website. Navigate to the transfer section. Choose your preferred transfer type. Enter the recipient's account number and full name. Input the transfer amount. Review and confirm the transaction, and authenticate with an OTP code. A confirmation message will then be sent. Transfers can also be made through an ATM. Visit a nearby Stanbic Bank ATM. Insert your card. Input your PIN. Select the transfer option. Enter the amount and recipient's account details. Confirm the transaction, and complete the process. By following these steps, money can be easily transferred with Stanbic Bank.